going on YouTube? So today we are back working on the F20B swap CG Harley. As you saw in the last video, man, the thing drove, but we had like something fell from under the bottom of the car, and at first I wasn't really sure exactly what it was. A couple people did comment on the last video. One guy was like, hopefully it was a 10 millimeter or something like that. But I think that I figured out what it was because it is no longer with us. I believe what fell was my long extension, like my really long extension. And I say that because it's nowhere in sight. But anyway, what I want to do, since it's in the shop, is I really want to check these axles and make sure they haven't popped out of the transmission, because I did get a little bit of a clunk sound when I was trying to turn it around on the side road the other day. And as you can see, this axle's still in as well, and it looks pretty normal where the trans is. What I think I want to do is really pretty outside today, and I think I want to try to drive it again and just see how it does. Because again, when that happened, it just scared the crap out of me. It was raining, and I just did not want to get stuck in the rain on the side of the road. So I'm hoping with it being pretty outside, you know, hopefully nothing happens. I'm really wanting this transmission to work so that we can call it good. But again, if something does happen, at least we won't be sitting in the rain, I guess. And let's fire it up. Outside, she look good too. Yeah, she look good. Went ahead and cut this little area with the push mower. That looks so much better. I mean, it's not as flush as it could be, but it's only like an 18-inch wide push mower, so it took everything in me to get this area done. But yeah, okay, let's try this. But I think it's just gravel and such, because I did scrub a lot when I was trying to bag it out the shop a while ago. So I think it might just be like loose gravels that got caught up under the subframe and stuff. But I mean, it shifts butter, like it's buttery smooth with the shift. but something's not happy. And I don't think it's the motor. So I checked the front lug nuts, they were a bit slack. I never torqued them down. So I got those all the way back tight. I'm gonna drive it again, but that sound definitely was not a, it was definitely not a loose wheel sound. It sounds like something in the trans is not happy. So we'll take it back out and see what happens. Try to drain the fluid and put some fresh back in it again and see if that helps. But whatever it is, man, I think I'm pretty sure it's inside the transmission. I don't know if it's just where the transmission sat so long, maybe it got some debris in there or what, man. But there's something dealing with that transmission that's not happy, and I'm not too sure exactly what it is, but it's in there. It's definitely something with the transmission, I believe. Because it just errors. I don't know if I caught it on camera or not. Try, you know, it shifts great. I just don't know what that, it's like a weird sound that'll come, kind of like, it's almost like a whine, and it comes and goes, guys. I don't know what that is, but again, it could be just from this transmission sitting so long. You know, it's been sitting since I got the CD5, because I pulled it out of there. It's been sitting on the floor. And then when I pressure washed it, some water did get in it, so I don't know if it's like surface rust on shit. I mean, I drained it out before I put the fluid in, but I don't know if it's just still a little bit of water mixed in with it. I'm just at a loss right now, so I don't know really what to call it, because I'm not saying that the transmission is crap, but I mean, it works. Just for peace of mind and just say I did all I could, I think what I'm gonna do is just drain out this old fluid, and we'll pick up a couple new quarts, because I still have like half a quart left, so we'll pick up a couple of new quarts and fill it back up and just call it like that, man, and just see how it do, see if it holds up or not. Like I said, shifts fine, but I haven't really beat on it because, well, for one, these tires are trash, and two, I don't know how, I don't know why I'm just nervous about this transmission. I don't know. Normally I'm just cool with it, you know, but for some reason I just get a bad vibe. But for now, I'm not too sure. So what I think I'm gonna do is, like I said, I'm gonna just drain this fluid out. I might do it right now. We can pick 2 new quarts up tomorrow. Let's get this car in here. We're gonna drain it, see if we can see what it looked like, and we'll close this video out. Oh boy, it is some pissy brown shit. Probably still has some water mixed in, but so that's gonna be a wrap for this video, boys. I got everything set up underneath. I already pulled a field bolt, so we can just jump right on it tomorrow, get this thing topped back off, maybe take it for another spin, and hopefully, man, hopefully it works, guys. I don't know what else to do with it. Really counting on this transmission working, because I do not really feel like taking it back apart right now. So really hoping it's just breaking back in, man, maybe, because it runs so smooth, man. And then sometimes, like I said, I hear like a little bit of a noise, but it just like comes in and it goes right back out. So damn, I'm really hoping it's like the smallest thing. Maybe it's just that the fluid was still kind of dirty, mixed with water. Maybe draining it and refilling it or do the trick. I'm hoping, and we can call this one good. Cause up next, I really gotta go ahead and get the CD5 exhaust redone, and we can get that back dropped off at James, so we can get the power that the F23 is supposed to be making right now. So yeah, stay tuned for that, man, if you're excited. But all that being said, guys, I will catch y'all next time. Remember, guys, leave a like, man, for the video. That greatly helps out the channel. I will catch y'all next time. Respect all bills. Peace out.